Hi guys, Rajvi here. Hope you're doing great. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we're gonna learn about how to run email campaign using Systeme.io for free of cost. You don't have to pay any kind of money to run email campaigns because as you guys know that we use GetResponse, Aweber to run email campaigns, but we have to pay monthly fees. That's why I'm going to teach how you can run email campaigns for free of cost. First of all, if you're on my channel for the first time, then make sure to hit like and subscribe button because I upload videos about how to make money online with affiliate marketing. Okay, so if you are interested in affiliate marketing, then make sure to hit like and subscribe button. Let's get started. So if you want to learn how to build your first funnel, then I have created a video about it, how to build a sales funnel from scratch using Systeme.io for free of cost. So you can go here and watch this video. Okay. So if you want to sign up for Systeme.io, to get access to 100% free account, then I'm gonna drop a link below in the description section. You can check the link and then sign up for Systeme.io. You don't have to pay anything. Okay, so you can check this video. And the next is how you can run email campaign. Okay, when somebody subscribe to your funnel. Okay, so here you can see that I have 143 emails. 143 emails. So these all leads or people have subscribed to my funnel. Okay. And whenever somebody subscribe to my funnel, they start getting emails automatically. I don't have to send emails manually to them. Okay. So that's what I'm gonna teach you here. So now here, first you have to go to funnels. This is my funnel. Okay. Now, when um, when you go to your funnel and here it's get instant access. When you click here, you're gonna fill the name and then you're gonna fill email. Okay. Get instant access. Okay. Now when you will go here, see contacts here. So I got this email here. Okay. So that's how when somebody will subscribe to your email list, then you're going to see those emails here under contacts. Okay. So the first step is go to automation rule. You have to create a rule. You have to add a rule so that Systeme.io can send emails on automation. Okay. Add rule funnel step form subscribed. So whenever somebody subscribe to your funnel, they will start getting emails on automation. So click here. Now here add action, you have to add an action. Here there are some options: subscribe to campaign, unsubscribe from campaign, add a tag, remove a tag, send email. We have to use this one so that subscriber contact to campaign. Okay, so that they will start getting emails on automation. So click here. Here choose campaign. Now you have to create a campaign here. Okay, create. Here you can write any free ebook. Okay, save. Now here we have created a campaign. Now you have to again go here in funnels and check here automation rules. Click here. Okay, add action, subscribe to here. Now campaign. Now we have two campaigns here, 3-day challenge and free ebook. Click here, free ebook, save rule. Okay. So now we already have created a rule here. Okay. Now next you have to go here, emails. Now this one we already have created a campaign. Okay. But we haven't created any emails yet. Okay. 3-day challenge. So now I have created all emails here. Okay. Now I'm gonna just open this one. Again, like I'm gonna just teach you how to write emails. Okay. So now this one is my first email. Okay. So here free ebook. You have to click here, add an email. Here your name. Here your professional email, your email address. You can't use any Gmail or Hotmail, because as you can see here, if I will, okay, so this one is my Gmail. Okay, you can see here, click here, classic editor, create. Subject, you have to write subject to. So I'm using just a sample. Your start to success is inside. Copy. Here you can see copy, create. Okay. Now here you can see that sender email address, this domain name is not authenticated. Okay, because if you are going to use this email like Gmail, Yahoo, or Hotmail, or any other email, okay, then your email is gonna go in spam folder of your lead. Okay, so that's why you can't use these kind of emails, Gmail, Hotmail, or Yahoo.com. So you have to use um sport. This is my email, sport at 9252 freedomsecrets.com. Okay, now you can see you're not going to see any triangle here. Okay, now here I'm gonna just copy and paste. Okay, copy and paste this one. Okay, now hello first name. You also can add first name here from substitute variable. So there are different things: email, first name, family name. Just click here first name and okay. Then here you can see first name. Okay, if you want to bold it, you can bold it, italic, okay, whatever you want to do. And here if you want to add any link, then you want to use this button. Okay, so like here, so here it's my link. Okay, I'm gonna copy it and then I'm gonna just show you. Okay, okay, so just click here. Now there is no link, so I'm gonna just show you how to add a link. Click here, then here add link, whichever link you want to add, like your affiliate link. You can just select that text and click here. Okay, then you can add a link like this. You can add your Facebook link, you can add your affiliate link, you can add your Instagram link, like whichever link you wanna add, you can add like this from here. Okay, then just to success Rajveer call. So this is how you can create an email. Then save and send a test email. You can send a test email. You will see that email in your inbox. And save and publish. You can click on save and publish too. Okay, I'm gonna add save and publish. Okay, here you can add like after how many days you want to send that email. Like suppose you want to send a first email at 0 days, like right at the time when they will subscribe to your form, or you're gonna send that email 1 day after first email. Okay, then you will click here first email. Here you have to click here days. Okay, after which email. Here you will see the emails too. Like if you will create, suppose here you will create 0, you will create first email. Then when you will create second email, then you will see the subject name here. Okay, that means that you are going to send the second email after how many days of first email. Okay, then just publish. Okay, so this is how now your email is published. Now you will see how many contacts have subscribed. Okay, here how many emails means to how many people this email is gone, and how many people have opened this email. Okay, and how many people have clicked the links in your email, and that's it. So this is how you can run an email campaign. Okay, so